Hi, it's Matty here from Redware. It may be that we need to give you some extra technical support for your QuickBooks, and we need to access your QuickBooks. So you need to create a user for us, just temporarily. So if you go to your settings up here and manage your users, you're going to add a user here for support@redware.com. So if you click add, we need to be company admin, I'm afraid, because there's not much we can do about the security. Um, in QuickBooks right now. So you can delete us in a little while. So you're going to set us up for support@redware.com, and we will get an email that will let us access your QuickBooks as administrator. And when we resolve the problem, if you come back to the Manage Users page and delete, that will prevent us having access. If you need us to sign an NDA, send an email to support@redware.com. And that's it, really. Thank you.